Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best LEGO Gears is probably one of the most versatile and engaging building toys available, offering endless possibilities for creative construction and mechanical exploration, allowing you to build complex moving machines, intricate contraptions, and even automated systems, making it a fantastic choice for both kids and adults who enjoy hands-on learning and problem-solving through creative play and STEM exploration. Number 5. LEGO Technic Top Gear Rally Car. Get ready for an adrenaline rush. This app-controlled rally car lets you experience the thrill of driving like never before. Download the app and take control. It's more than just a toy, it's an immersive driving experience. With its advanced smart hub and multiple motors, it delivers authentic movements and hours of fun. Command it to go forward, reverse, steer, accelerate, brake, all from your smart device. Plus, enjoy realistic sound effects and real-time feedback. This isn't just a car, it's a challenge. Build it, download the app, and prepare for endless hours of action-packed fun. It's the perfect gift for builders and racing fans. At over 26 centimeters long, it's the perfect size for driving around or displaying proudly. Show off your awesome creation. Remember, this set is not compatible with LEGO Power Function systems. But don't worry, the app-controlled features are even better. What we like. It's app-controlled, offering multifunction control and authentic movements. If you are looking for an immersive and interactive building experience with realistic car control, this is the perfect choice for you. It's great for kids who love challenges and remote control cars, providing hours of engaging play. What people say. It's really a cool car, and works well. Very easy and well thought out LEGO kit. One of the most fun and gratifying kits I've built. Very solid construction and the instructions are very easy to follow. The built card is quite steady and firm. Quite a decent amount of detail. Number 4. LEGO 50PC Technic Gear Set. Get ready to build amazing creations with this set of 50 LEGO Technic gears and axles. It's perfect for expanding your existing LEGO collection or starting a new project. These are original LEGO pieces, ensuring the high quality and compatibility you expect. They are loose pieces, ready for your next build. With 50 gears and axles, the possibilities are endless. Let your imagination run wild and create something truly unique. This set doesn't come with instructions, encouraging creative freedom. Design your own contraptions and mechanisms. Whether you're a seasoned builder or just starting out, this set is a great addition to any LEGO collection. Start building today. Get high-quality LEGO pieces at a great price. This is a perfect way to add to your collection without breaking the bank. What we like. This one is a great value option with 50 pieces. If you're on a budget and need a basic set to get started with LEGO Technic gears, this is a good starting point. It's perfect for those who want to experiment with gears without a large investment. What people say. This gives a good set of gears and rods to add to your set, to start teaching them gear ratio concepts, and how to speed things up and down and change torques. Just what we needed to get our son on his way to creating more incredible and dynamic LEGO builds. An awesome set that fits tightly and implements well with everything else we have. It's been fun teaching the kids about gears and differentials and helping them explore making things move. Number 3. LEGO 46PC Technic Gear Set. This amazing LEGO set contains 46 genuine Technic gears and axles. It's perfect for expanding your LEGO creations. With this set, you can build even more complex and exciting LEGO models. Let your imagination run wild. It works seamlessly with LEGO Mindstorms NXT, EV3, Bionicles, and many other LEGO creations. The possibilities are endless. You can be confident that you are receiving 100% authentic LEGO parts. They are durable and built to last. This set is a must-have for any LEGO enthusiast. Add it to your collection and unlock new building possibilities. With 46 pieces, you'll have plenty of gears and axles to create intricate mechanisms and moving parts in your LEGO builds. What we like. It boasts 46 genuine LEGO pieces and is compatible with various LEGO systems. If you need a reliable and high-quality gear set that works with other LEGO creations, this is a great option. Its versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of projects. What people say. I made sure the number stamped on my broken derailleur was the same as this replacement part, and when it came, it fit perfectly. Easy to install and adjust, even though I have not done this in about 40 years. Our 6-year-old son loves those gears and axles. It's an unlimited supply of creativity for him building all sorts of machines, and that's fantastic. Perfect, as described. Used with Legos. Number 2. LEGO 16 PC Technic Gear Set. Get ready to explore the world of LEGO Technic with this exciting gear set. It's perfect for budding engineers and builders of all ages. This set includes 16 genuine LEGO Technic pieces, providing endless possibilities for creative construction. Let your imagination run wild. While it comes without the original box or instructions, these LEGO pieces are ready for immediate use. Start building your own amazing creations. Rest assured, these are authentic LEGO bricks, ensuring the same high quality and durability you expect from LEGO. They are ready for countless builds. Grab this set and start building. It's a great way to enhance your LEGO collection or begin a new building adventure. Let's get creative. Whether you're a seasoned LEGO builder or just starting out, this set offers a fantastic opportunity to expand your collection and build something amazing. Enjoy. What we like. This small set is very affordable with 16 pieces. If you're on a tight budget and only need a small number of gears for a specific project, it's a practical choice. It's perfect for those who want to add a few gears to their existing collection without breaking the bank. What people say. They were exactly what I expected. 3 of them have been running in my Arduino projects for several weeks with no issue. The piece does not look like original LEGO and the pieces arrived in an envelope. I'm thinking it was a resale. Don't buy. Number 1. LEGO Technic Gear Set. This LEGO Technic set contains 12 high-quality pieces. It's perfect for building your next robotic creation. This set includes 6 durable worm screws. They are essential for creating intricate and powerful mechanisms in your LEGO builds. Along with the worm screws, you'll find 6 sturdy gear racks. These work perfectly with the worm screws to create smooth and reliable movement. All 12 pieces are made from durable plastic, ensuring they can withstand the rigors of your projects. They are designed for long-lasting use. Your LEGO Technic pieces arrive in a sealed poly bag, keeping them protected and ready for your next project. Get ready to build. It's ideal for robotics enthusiasts and LEGO builders of all skill levels. Use it to enhance your Mindstorms NXT or EV3 creations. What we like. This set includes 12 pieces with specialized worm gears and gear racks. If you're working on a project that requires these specific types of gears, this is the set for you. It's ideal for those who need these components for robotics or other specialized builds. What people say. Great addition to his LEGO collection. They're reliable and good quality pieces. These are used for a few things. Just need an imagination. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.